Dear students, welcome to today's session on personality. So, the objectives of today's session would be to understand about personality and its determinants, and also to understand about individual differences based on the determinants which we have learned. So, personality refers to individual differences in characteristic patterns of thinking, feeling, and behaving of an individual. So the term personality is derived from Latin term persona, which means mask. So the popular definition of personality is given by Gordon Allport. So it goes like this: personality is the dynamic organization within the individual of those psychophysical system that determines his unique adjustments to the environment. Definition of personality. So, the studies about personality mainly focuses on two broad areas. First one is understanding individual differences in particular personality characteristics such as sociability or irritability. Understanding how the various parts of a person come together as a whole. Like a person may be sociable, a person may be calm at sometimes, person may be uh, an aggressive person. So how it all come together in a single individual. So let's see about the factors or determinants of personality. There won't be any one factor or determinants that forms a person's personality. There are various factors and determinants that makes a person's traits come together. So the first one is the basic one, that is biological factors. First is hereditary. Certain dispositions are acquired through genes from their ancestors or parents. The second is physical. The appearance, body defect, deformity also influences a person's personality in the way they treated by others, or the way they think about their deformities or appearances. And third one is chemical or glandular influence of it's the influence of hormones and glandular dysfunctions. For example, thyroid dysfunction can influence a person's personality. And also the brain activities of a person, whether if a person's brain is uh, damaged in any way or the other due to any reason, it also has a major role to play in a person's personality formation. Next is environmental factors. The family environment, situation, relationship, and birth order can influence a person's personality, and also one's own friends and peer group near the home or in the educational institution influences a person's personality. School environment, also the infrastructure of the schools, the teachers, and also the management behaviors also influences a person's personality formation. Also the teacher student relationship has a great role to play in the formation of a person's personality. The next one is social and cultural factors. So, how a person is recognized and how a person gets adapted to the rules, norms, roles, and values of their culture and society in which they live also has a major role to play in the formation of a person's personality. Psychological factors, finally, this is also one of the major uh, role to play in the formation of a person's personality. The first is parenting style. There are different kinds of parenting style: authoritarian, authoritative, liberal, like that. Then learning. A person's learning uh, from the environment and from the parents also has a major role to play. And attitudes of the person, whether it could be a very negative situation, but certain people have a very positive attitude, and they take up those situation in a positive way, even if it is a very worst negative situation. And then sentiments, motivation and emotion, values which they learn from their um, past experiences and from the society, and also success and failures has a major role to playing a person's personality. So these are the major references for studying and understanding about personality. So everyone has their own story. So one should think before judging others.